It's Creed's mansion. I wonder if they picked up Elric before coming here. It must be some kind of fantastic sensor array. It's a lamp. Oh.
Cold. I'd say there hasn't been a fire lit in this place in many years.
Or an hour ago.
Probably an extinct civilization.
Took some form of intelligence to steal those spacesuits.
Of course it did. And a very high form to build a place like this.
Check out Ellen's package.
What do they look like?
Hey, come here.
It's some kind of turd.
Look, it's all ready for lighting.
Bring your cigarettes and matches?
I told you I didn't feel at home without them.
So what about these people's physiques made them think they'd make good astronauts?
Oh, that's better. I was getting a mighty lonely feeling.
Helen, I asked you a question.
What?
What's the deal with airline food anyway?
This place was here. What else do you know?
Nothing. Certainly I've never been here before. I must have dreamed.
Did you dream who stole our spacesuits?
Of course not. I grant you, Kip, this is something we didn't foresee. But let's not lose our senses completely.
Somebody stole our suits. And that somebody must still be around here.
Hey! You out there! Hey! You out there! That guy sounds lost.
Come on, Doug. Let's look around.
Hey, that's me. I'll just clutch this giant phallus here. Well, that's what you get for bathing in catnip before the liftoff, huh? Hold it in. Don't laugh until he's dead. Did I just get laid?
What happened?
Something jumped me.
What sort of thing?
I couldn't tell. I jumped on my back and tried to get at my throat.
Where's Helen?
I don't know, but I caught a glimpse of her during the fight, and she was just standing there watching.
Helen! Helen!
Motion sensing fire never really took off.
A fire!
If I didn't know any better, I'd swear a cat had been through here.
Spread out quickly.
It'll be easier to be killed that way. Quick, throw some water on her.
I got one over here!
Let's have a look at it.
Yeah, my cat's always doing that to me.